In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to jotform. This process is relatively straightforward, but it can have a tremendous impact on your ability to collect payments easily and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functioning form linked with Stripe, ready to accept payments. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the jotform website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This ensures that you have access to all the forms and features associated with your account. Logging in is a simple process, and if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Jotform offers easy password recovery options. Once you're logged in, locate the form with which you want to enable Stripe payments. This could be any form you've previously created and now wish to enhance with a payment option. Click on that particular form and then select Edit Form to make changes to its structure and settings. With the form open and ready for editing, look to add elements to your form. To do this, click on the Add Element option. This will open up a variety of categories, and among these options, you'll find one labeled Payments. This is the key feature we're looking for to establish a connection with Stripe. Within the Payments section, you'll find Stripe as one of the options available. Click on Stripe to proceed. Jotform will then automatically integrate Stripe into your form. Now you're nearly there, you'll notice there's a plug icon which you need to click. This is the crucial step where you're going to enter your connection details. Here, you should input a connection name that will help you easily recognize this setup in the future. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive, especially if you plan on managing multiple forms or payment options. After entering the connection name, it's vital to save your changes. This ensures that everything you've done so far is locked in and ready to go. The save option could be located in various places depending on your screen, but it's often toward the bottom or top right. Click on Save, and you will have completed the setup. And there you have it. Your form is now successfully linked to Stripe. This setup means you're ready to start collecting payments seamlessly through Jotform. Be sure to test the form yourself to ensure everything is working as expected before sharing it widely with others. This way, you can guarantee a smooth experience for anyone using your form. Thanks for watching, happy forming, and see you next time.